I'll show you our room here in Delhi. This is our, well, second day here, so it will be a bit of a mess. We're staying at a place called the Prime Balaji Deluxe, it's called. So let's go in. We paid £81 for 3 nights bed and breakfast. Hi, sir. Thank you. The reception looks smart, as you can see. Hi. The breakfast is, of course, toast and Indian cuisine on the 5th floor. Walk this way to the lift. In fact, the coffee was quite nice this morning. Best coffee I've had in India. So I'll see you when we get to the... Oh no, I'll show you the lift because you can see through it. We're on the 3rd floor. Yeah. Well, this is the view. You get like just a view of the reception area where we've just been. There's a travel desk around there, and you can see it goes up. Really good. And our room, this is the 3rd floor, and you go up to the 4th floor in the lift, and then walk up 1 flight of stairs for breakfast, which is the 5th floor. And our room is the first door to the right. Okay, so as you come in, table, two single beds, aircon and fan. Because of my because of my suffering with a bit of a cold, we've just had the fan on and it's been perfect, hasn't it?
Oh, yes.
Really good. 2 double beds, little chair, side cabinets, a fridge under there. No minibar, correct? No minibar. Tell you that. The only one thing we've made a mistake with is the washer is right near the toilet, as you can see, but we've managed. It's been fine. I actually like this room.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh, and if anybody know what the mark of those sprays, let us know, because I got no clue.
Yeah. This is the room anyway. £81 for 3 nights bed and breakfast. Quite a good deal, I think. So that's that £40 each.
Oh yes. Yeah, it's quite good. The best one, I think. The cheapest one, I think.
The Prime in Delhi, not far from Paharganj. Take a look.